My name is Clement Ramoi, and I've been working for Solomon Airlines for the last 32 years and 9 months, to be exact. I was born on the 7th of May, 1971, to parents of Kwarai and Tobaida lineage. I joined Solomon Airlines in January 1990. At the moment, currently, I am the engineering foreman for Solomon Airlines Limited. The ones I value most is the comradeship, especially in this engineering department, where we work together to get the planes out in service for the next day. I enjoy fixing aircrafts. That's one thing I value most, and it brings satisfaction to me to get the planes out flying the next day.